Right now, I'm standing in the snow fields of the Rajasthani desert. Now, you might think I'm lying to you, but I'm actually in Rajasthan now. However, all of this you see around, this beautiful, beautiful white scenery, it's not actually snow. The contrast between the top of this hill and the surrounding environment is really, really intense. And I'm gonna show you. Look at that. Hello, namaste. I'm sorry? No Hindi, sorry. Only English, no Hindi.
शेर में
नाम क्या है?
सूरज
Suraj. Okay, Sean.
जॉन ये मेरे
Yeah. What do you want?
ए तो मेरा वीडियो बनाने भूल गया तो एक बार वीडियो बना दे हेलो
No, no English.
इंग्लिश
Okay. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye. Look at this. This is so cool. I'm going to show you guys one of the best parts of this. Look at that. Look at this place. I feel like I've walked into like Northrend in Wrath of the Lich King. Like, look at this. It looks like a jeep just trekking out in the snow in the middle of the mountains. And you know, you get all of this in the desert of Rajasthan. So, hello, namaste. How are you?
Hi Gujarati
Oh, you're from
Magan Kaka
Gujarat?
Hi Gujarat
Ahmedabad?
Ahmedabad Jai Mataji
No Hindi, no Hindi.
Yo Gujarati Jai Mataji
Jai Mataji.
Okay
Dhanyawad.
Banko ko banko
Bangko ko bango. What does that mean?
Kanu Kaka ko Kanu Kaka
Kanu kaka. I don't know what-
Ari Vini Banchori
What does it mean?
Jai Shri Ram
High five.
ये बुआ जी ये देखो this is the बुआ जी
Hello.
बुआ जी माता रानी के बुआ जी
Oh, married?
हाँ हाँ family no no
Oh, no. Not married, okay.
बुआ जी all brothers
Congratulations. Oh, brothers,
हाँ
sister. You speak English.
No,
You
I'm
speak
Banko Banko बोला Banko
Banko.
हाँ
What is banko? Why does he keep saying this?
Banko is
Banko. Yeah.
It's Gujarati.
गुजराती song and कलाकार
It's a Gujarati language
Yes.
word. What does it mean?
No meaning.
Banko with
No meaning.
No meaning.
Banko.
Tiger, tiger.
Banko.
Where are you from?
I'm from US, but my mother is from Japan, so I'm mixed.
Okay.
Yeah. Whoa, there's a drone.
And Raju,
Oh,
Raju Thakur,
drone man, cameraman.
cameraman,
Okay.
and makeup man.
Makeup man?
No,
Man?
I'm makeup
Makeup-
makeover.
Makeover woman.
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 You are hungry?
Thank you, Dhanyawad. So I guess this is no, it's okay. It's okay. No, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Super nice here.
Your country?
USA.
USA.
USA. Yeah. Mm.
Hey, USA dollar?
US dollar.
Your Gandhi, your dollar?
He say exchange money. I want Indian rupee. You want USA rupee.
You have USA rupee? He has it?
You 500 rupees.
No.
He
Exchange?
exchange.
No, it's okay. I don't need to. No. I haven't. I don't think this guy has US dollars, anyways.
Lo, I तुम्हारा कुरकुरिया
Okay,
5
thank you,
rupees.
thank you. 5 rupees? Oh, you're right. 5 rupees? I give you 5. I can give you 5 rupees. Yeah, so I guess this thing is 5 rupees. He's a very handsome guy.
Yes.
Yeah, very handsome guy. Look at this guy. Oh, most they don't speak English, right?
I'm
Little.
totally not good speak English.
No. Your English is very good.
Good?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. When is the wedding? Soon?
Soon after 30 days.
After 30 days. Oh, okay. Please, yeah. Well, tell them I said congratulations.
Okay,
Yeah.
sure.
Good
He
look around.
say you invited Indian wedding.
Oh,
Interested?
really? Sure. Yeah. In 30 days, though.
After
huh?
30 days.
Yeah, maybe just send me a message. I think I'll continue to look around a little bit, so I will see you guys.
See you.
Yeah, maybe I'll come back.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. But yeah, really nice. Just look at this. I just can't get over how beautiful this is. I can't get over the fact that we're in the desert in Rajasthan. I'm getting pretty close to that tree, so I should be careful. But look at that. That is just so cool. Wow. So here's another, I think, wedding party. So there are quite a few of these. And you can see why, like, look at this this lake over here. It's so beautiful. And so, like, I mean, look at the, I mean, I'm gonna go down there eventually, but I mean, it's so pretty. Like, the color of the water is so beautiful too. Like, I think I'm gonna head on down this path and climb down there to get a really nice look at that water. That water looks super sus, by the way. Like, it looks really pretty, but I'm sure it's totally toxic. And also the white makes it so bright here that I can barely open my eyes. It's really crazy. If you guys have a chance, I would definitely come down here. This is a cool little spot. Look at this place. This is so cool. Oh, sorry. Okay. I think I'm getting in the shot. But yeah, this is what it looks like here. So at the bottom of this hill, there is a marble refining plant. And what they do with the waste marble, the powder, is that they dump it on top of this hill. And that over there, I believe, is the marble processing plant. Look, oh, see, there's a truck dumping more waste up here. I think it's one of the few cases in which the way that they do waste management in India, which is not to manage it at all, but dump it randomly in the environment, actually turned out pretty well. Because otherwise, there's no way you could see such beautiful scenery like this in the middle of the Rajasthani desert. And look at this. It's just marble. It's just waste marble. Okay, so I think that's gonna be the end of that, guys. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I'm headed on my way to Udaipur now. Next video will be in Udaipur. So see you guys next time.